Hey, today I want to talk to you about how to take the home office deduction as a shareholder of an S corporation. It's different than how you used to do it as a sole proprietor. Hi, I'm Kimberly Bagley, CPA, and I help online entrepreneurs scale their business with the simple SORT method. We sort your business by focusing on 4 key areas: setup, operations, record keeping, and tax laying to increase your profits and to minimize taxes. So today I want to talk to you about the home office deduction. So a lot of my clients, when they convert to an S corporation, they think that they're just going to claim the home office deduction on their personal tax return like they have in the past. No. Can't do that now. So because now you're an employee and the S corp and your business is a corporation. You're 2 separate entities, okay? But it's not hard. What we need to do is set up an accountable plan. So what an accountable plan is, it's just a fancy term to kind of explain the process of submitting an expense report. So you remember when you used to work for XYZ Corporation down the road, right? When you went out to lunch and took a client to lunch as a salesperson, or you went to a convention or a class and you had to, pay for your own gas to get there. Well, the company said, hey, we'll reimburse you for that, but you have to turn in an expense report. And you turned it in, like an Excel spreadsheet with your copies of your receipts attached, stapled to it, right? Of course, now in this day and age, it's all electronic. So you're using apps to turn in all your stuff to your employer. You're an S corporation and you're a shareholder, or for that matter, any employee that has reimbursable expenses, they turn in an expense report. So that's all an accountable plan is. So when we're talking about the home office deduction, where you get to write off a portion of your utilities and your mortgage interest and your property taxes of your home because your principal office is in your home, it's a whole other ballgame for you as a shareholder, but it's an awesome tax write-off. So this is under our T, under the SORT method for tax laying. Another great tax incentive here. So let me explain how this works. So there's just one right way to get the full benefit of the home office deduction for your corporation, and that's by using the reimbursement method that I just explained. And the reason the reimbursement method is the one right way is simple, because that's the only way it works when you own an S corporation, okay? So here's how you do it. You're an employee of your corporation now, so you're going to submit an expense report to your corporation for the expenses of your home office. And so I have other videos that talk about what constitutes expenses for your home office, but just a simple rundown would be like mortgage interest, real estate taxes, utilities, internet, anything that's related to your, even repairs to your home. Like if you have a new roof replaced on your home because of hail damage that came through, ask me how I know. Whatever percentage of the home is used for home office, you can take a percentage of those expenses, but you have to turn in an expense report. And just as a side note, I have sample copies of what an expense report looks like. If you want to press on the link below in the description or book a call with me or send me an email, I'll be happy to provide a copy of an expense report to you that you can use for this. Also, I have examples of accountable plans that I've used with my clients. So we can definitely help you set up the accountable plan for S Corp to get this done. So after you fill out the expense report with all these expenses, then your corporation reimburses you for those home office expenses, and your corporation claims 100% of that as a tax write-off for that office space on the corporate tax return too. So you get that tax benefit. And that check that you receive reimbursing you for those costs is tax-free to you. It's not taxable income to you. It doesn't show up on your W-2 or anywhere else on your personal tax return. So with the home office at the corporate level, you, the employee, need to submit expense reports that satisfy the rules for that home office deduction. This can be tricky, and that's where I come in. I can help you with this. We can help you set up that accountable plan and give you the expense report format to use and how to claim all these expenses. You don't want to miss out on this if you have an office in your home, but you need to do it right if you are a shareholder in your S corporation. Okay, so book a call. There's links below in the description or in the comments on how to get a hold of us to book a free call, and other free resources available to you as well. Okay, talk soon.